The Earth is only one planet in a large galaxy that floats above our heads. As a result, there is so much to be discovered, and we are constantly learning more about the stars, moons, and planets that make up our solar system. So today, here at Unexplained Mysteries, we'll be taking a look at 3 interesting discoveries. Mysterious waves discovered at the edge of the solar system. In a recent discovery, data was obtained from an interstellar boundary explorer that had been orbiting and collecting data in space over the last while. An explorer is a type of satellite capable of transgressing the boundaries of space and collecting data for scientists on Earth. That being said, this particular spacecraft was able to learn some interesting information as it discovered a pulsating structure in the heliopause. The heliopause is the region between the solar system and interstellar space. In the past, scientists had yet been able to collect much information on this region of space, but that has begun to change. The finding from this explorer brought scientists insight into how the boundary appears to be constantly changing over time. As of now, there have been 2 different Voyager explorers that could cross the heliopause and venture into interstellar space. These voyages have enabled scientists to obtain a better understanding of interstellar space and start to map the heliopause. However, they haven't been without issue, and further tools were needed to research the area. This led to the creation of NASA's Interstellar Boundary Explorer, the IBEX. This tool is used to measure the neutral atoms that are created by the sun's solar wind colliding with the interstellar wind. Some of the atoms during this collision are shot toward the Earth and can be measured by the IBEX. The collected data has made it easier for scientists to map the heliopause region. As a result, a team of scientists discovered that huge ripples or waves were happening within the heliopause. These waves were on the scale of tens of astronomical units. 1 astronomical unit is roughly the distance between the Earth and the Sun. These findings suggest that the heliopause is constantly changing, but they are not sure why. Nonetheless, this discovery is huge for the study of space and will hopefully lead to more answers in the near future. We're traveling through space in a weird bubble. This subsequent discovery relates very well to what we had just been discussing about the heliopause, and that is the fact that we are traveling through space in a strange bubble that emits those mysterious waves. As we have determined, the heliopause sits between our solar system and interstellar space. However, what we didn't cover is that its primary purpose is to protect the planet from dangerous cosmic rays. These rays are so powerful that without the heliopause, they could even destroy all life on Earth. However, we still don't know that much about the heliopause, and scientists are only just starting to be able to map this region of space and its boundaries. NASA's IBEX has proven to be a hugely beneficial tool for mapping the heliopause and aiding scientists in understanding this strange bubble. For example, the IBEX has shown that solar wind has increased roughly 50% since 2014. Additionally, it has been concluded that the heliopause seems to vary in size and shape based on the region that is being measured. In some regions, the heliopause can extend to 16 astronomical units, and less in others. To put this into perspective, 16 astronomical units is roughly 15 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. Scientists are still unsure why the heliopause is constantly changing, but there are some theories on what is causing it. One speculation makes the claim that the heliopause changes based on the solar cycle. This comes from the idea that the main contributing factor to the heliopause changing is how solar wind interacts with the magnetic fields that are found in interstellar space. Therefore, the Sun operates on an 11-year cycle, and the solar wind changes in intensity throughout this cycle. We are still not totally sure why this happens, but it's intriguing to think that life on Earth is being protected by a strange bubble that cloaks our planet. Scientists find a strange black hole spinning on its side. A black hole is a place in space that has an immensely powerful gravitational pull that sucks objects in. The pull is so strong that light cannot even get out, hence the name black hole. It is believed that they are created after the collapse of a star and the resulting supernova. A supernova is essentially an exploding star that shoots the star into space with such strength that black holes can be formed, or at least that's what is believed for now. With that in mind, a recent discovery by researchers from the University of Turku, Finland, discovered a black hole that is spinning on its side. The significance of this finding is that it poses a challenge to the current theory of how black holes are formed. This is the first time scientists have collected conclusive data claiming that black holes can move in this manner. Scientist Dr. Svetlana Berdygina, a professor of astrophysics at the University of Freiburg, discovered this black hole with a team of international astronomers. They uncovered a 40-degree difference between the black hole's orbital axis and spin. The team was able to make this discovery by using a polarimeter, dipole UF, which measures the angle of the optical rotation of light. This tool can measure optical polarization incredibly accurately. As a result, the tool was able to pinpoint the degree in which this black hole was spinning, and it left scientists shocked. This finding means that researchers must change how they measure and collect data on black holes. We still have a long way to go before completely understanding how these incredibly special structures work, but this discovery has opened many more doors of possibility. But what do you make of these recent discoveries? Be sure to let us know your thoughts in the comment section below and help us grow this community while working to solve these unexplained mysteries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.